Doesn't that just look scrumptious? Doesn't that just look scrumptious? Take it. Take it. Gah. So today I am in Boston. And as I was driving to the city, I realized that there's a big old river that flows right through the middle of Boston, the Charles River. We're staying about 10 minutes away from the river. So I got up early in the morning today just to see. Luckily I had my fishing gear from going down to the shore. So grabbed it from the car. Looked online yesterday. Like any body of fresh water, it looks like it's got its share of bass and sunfish and perch. So yeah, I'm gonna take this opportunity to see what Boston has to offer, do some urban fishing in a different city, and hopefully, yeah, we'll catch something and we'll get to find out what lives in here. I think what I'll start with, maybe I'll start with a little spoon here, and then see what comes up, and then maybe I'll switch over to a jerkbait.
Remember sunsets in Boston, kissing yellow concrete. We watched all of them together until we couldn't go to sleep. Wish it lasted forever, but it faded away. I was wrong, you were right.
Something's biting over there. Got him. Oh, what the? Oh, it's a white perch. Man, tiny little guy. Were you really trying to get at my... Were you really trying to get at my... Oh. Man, that hook was too big for you. These little white perch love to go after my little... It doesn't make any sense because they're too small for it. Like, what are you gonna do with it? You know, like, they barely even hook on. Oop. Whoa, there you go. Whoa, there is a largemouth in here. Oh, huh, was barely hooked. I need to lift those suckers up quick. All right, I mean, there are like largemouth here and there in this tiny little... This actually leads right into the Charles River. It's like a tiny little, I don't know, canal. I followed it up because I was going down the bank. I was like, yeah, check it out. I see a little bit of some shrubs here. Maybe I'll cast right in front of them. Just gonna make my way down the shore to that second bridge over there, cross over, hit the park, and then just go back home.
Said you were moving back, and could I steal you for a moment to pretend there's still something from the past? wish it lasted forever, but it faded away. I was wrong, you were right. We couldn't stand tall under the fire. Somewhere I can see the silver lining, but it's so far away. I was wrong, you were right. We couldn't stand tall, endure the fight. Somewhere I can see the silver lining, but it's so far away. You went on alone. Still I think about you often.
Bit of a foggy day today. Much better since it's nice and cool. It's way too hot. Way too hot the last 2 days. It's my final morning in Boston, so last chance.
Since you've been gone, I've been staring at the sunsets of Boston. I was wrong, we couldn't stand tall, endure the fight.
So it's just about noon. I came out here around 7, a little past 7 in the morning. When I first started, I was fishing on, that's the TD Center, so right in front of there. I kind of went this way. There was construction at that park, so I crossed the bridge. There was a school of herring underneath the bridge, so I tried casting from that bridge, but it was very difficult. I'm on this bridge. I don't even know if I can fish here, but I couldn't get at the herring while I was on the... Alright, this time I'll let it sink a bit. And then I made my way on this side all the way here. And during that entire excursion, whenever it was possible or if there was no fishing sign, I tried casting into the water. I used swim baits mostly. When I got to this little canal area right here, there was a school of herring in the dock area, the canal area. So I threw everything at that, just thinking that maybe there was a bigger fish that was driving them up that channel. I threw a swim bait out there. I tried some imitation bloodworms. Tried switching up my swim bait and the colors. I tried throwing a spinner. Nothing worked. Today, been out here, just about 5 hours. Not a single bite. I think there must be something that I'm unable to figure out here. Maybe it's just the time of day, maybe it's the season, maybe it was what I was using. This pier looks pretty well fished, and it looks like there was some bait boxes around, so people are using live bait. Maybe that's the trick. I couldn't really procure live bait this time around, but maybe that's what I need to do. So guys, I mean, if you have any tips, if you have any spots on the Charles, whether it is above the dam or below the dam like today, I'd love to hear them. Maybe next time I come, I'll be able to have a little better luck with a few new techniques. But till then, peace. Walking back across the bridge. I don't know what bridge this is. It's really nice though. Very pretty. I'm fishing and touring. Get to see a different part of Boston. As wild as it gets in Boston, I imagine. The wildlife under the river.